I am Miriam from Keto, Chow. And I just wanted to chat with you guys today. I'm thinking about school lunches. My kids started school a couple of weeks ago, and I notice whenever they start school, they kind of get ornery. Like, I don't know if it's just because it's a new change and everything, you have to get used to change. There's a whole bunch of new teachers. Everything is different. But I honestly think that some of the reason why they're ornery is because they eat school lunches when they're at school. Hey, how's it going?
I'm so hungry. Do you think we can get a second lunch?
At school?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's not enough food.
There's not enough food? Are you sure it's just not enough good food? What are they
Maybe.
serving you?
Mostly like bread, mashed potatoes, and gravy with a little bit of turkey.
Okay. Well, maybe you should have a lot of bit of turkey. You could bring that from home.
Okay.
Do you want to think about maybe doing lunches at home?
Sure.
Ruth is really into anime right now, and I think if I got her a really cute bento box, she might be on board. Hey, Ruthie, I want to show you this.
What is it?
So cute. It's a bento box.
Whoa.
We're thinking about maybe getting bento boxes for lunches.
Oh,
What do you think?
I think
Might
that's
be fun.
a good idea.
Yeah. This is my son Max.
Hi.
And he's super excited. He's going to be having lunch, cold lunch. We call it cold lunch.
Cold lunch, because it's not the lunch you get at the school, which is not keto at all.
Yeah. So we're making good choices. And he's got his awesome Hydro Flask here that he's decorated with definite keto.
Oh yeah, so keto.
Keto-ness. Just some fun brands that he likes. He decorated with that.
Yeah.
But he's going to be doing some healthier options, so that's great. And today, what are we going to be making?
It's clam chowder.
What's the word? Clam chowder.
Yeah, that's
Because he
it.
wanted to have soup, and so he's going to heat it up in the morning. It'll be really great because we've already got in the habit of having frozen soup on hand. We've got a bunch of pumpkin sausage soup, so we had that last week, which
Love
was
that. It's
delicious. Yeah, so we'll make that probably next week. But today we're gonna make it easy, clam chowder, and then tomorrow he'll just put it in his thermos, take it to school, and it'll be good to go. So I am surprising Ruth with a lunch today. She's been really liking to have one container completely filled with protein because she's in a weightlifting class right now and really wants the extra energy that it brings. I don't think she's realized maybe part of the fat also helps. I've got meatballs and then some ham, and the ham is actually sliced. In the other container, I've got cucumbers and a little container of cream cheese. And what we like to do, she'll just take a knife full of cream cheese, put it on, put the ham on it, and eat a little sandwich. So that's something that we've always really liked to do, which she'll be super happy to find because she loves cucumber sandwiches. So that's awesome. Ruth how she's liking her lunches.
Mom,
Hey, how's it going? How was your day?
it was good.
Awesome. So I have a question for you. I want to know how you're liking the lunches.
Well, lunches have been like super good. I feel really good that we like have like all the stuff well organized, because then it's like so much easier to like find stuff that I need for lunch, because sometimes when I have early morning seminar or have to like go somewhere real fast, then I'm like, oh, I can just grab this stuff and put it in there, because like I want like the lunch because it's super good, but sometimes I don't have like enough time to like make it super pretty, or like put like other stuff in there, like keto sushi or something. So I'll like just grab what we have. Bye, Mom. Bye, Mom.
Goodbye.